This is Daryl with Yellow Iron Cowboys. Today we got the big guns out here, digging in the pit, busting up this hard pan, smashing clods, going deeper, as you can see, going a lot deeper. We got Jim on the excavator, he's getting a run at it. He's a little skittish, but he's learning. Nice day out here, Friday morning, about 8:30 or so. So we're just digging, making it easier to dig for us with our little machines. Actually, I was on there a while ago on the excavator, and God, it's really hard down at the bottom of that hole there. It's super hard. I mean, I was having trouble getting through it, just kind of scratching. So anyway, this ground is hard as hell. Anyway, you gotta take care. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Roller packers.
Good morning, everybody. It's Daryl with the Yellow Iron Cowboys. There's Billy. Say good morning, Billy.
Morning.
Jimmy.
Morning.
I know the pit looks different.
Well,
The pit looks really different. It was 3 feet deep.
where I want to start digging at.
Now, Friday, Jim and I rented a John Deere, because the bottom was so hard, we rented a John Deere 1-to-1 scale excavator, and I came in here and I broke up all the hard pan on the bottom, took it 3 more feet, so now we got 5 feet of churned dirt. So that'll take us a year or maybe a little longer to move out of here and make these mountains with. And I also took the excavator and I cleaned out the drainage ditch there. It's nice and wide and plenty deep, and he's gonna make a recirculating creek out of it. And that's the spoils from the ditch. And we'll probably build something out of that. We'll probably put a road across the top or something. You think we'll put a road across the top of them spoils?
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. And Billy's over there, he was filling in some, to make a ramp right there, filling in with his excavator. Now he's gonna haul dirt, fill it in. And then we got another ramp going in right here. So the original ramp was right kind of in that same area where Billy's working. And then we had that one ramp over here, which is gone now. Anyway, that's what we're doing. We'll get right back out of here. Okay, we're back. And then what I'm gonna do right now is there's some loose dirt around this pile that was pushed up into the middle here. Push it up into the top here, or up against the top anyway. Consolidate it a little bit. Of course, there's a haul truck in my way. I gotta move it. Okay, there. Got that bugger out of there. Out here Friday with that John Deere excavator that we rented until from 7 to 7:30. I was on that thing all day long. And the reason it took so long is because every scoop was just giant clods. So I was busting up each load, each bucket that I dropped, just to smash it up. Otherwise, you know, then we're fighting it with these big clods. You can still see some pretty good sized clods in here. Thought it would have taken another 2 days to completely smithereens this dirt. This'll work. White line you're seeing out here is a step. So we're going to go 16 inches out from the very top of the grade here, the top of the mountain here, and go 16 inches out, 1 foot down, 16 inches out, and so on, 1 foot down, so that we have a shelf use as a road or whatever the hell we want to do. That's what's nice about this job. You can do whatever the hell you want to do. As long as it makes you happy, that's all that counts. But yeah, this hole looks different, all filled back in. It's all fluffy, you know. Real fluffy underneath. All loose. We didn't pack it at all. Didn't want to pack it.
A little hot over there.
Yeah, it is. Glad you came over to join us. Work on this side if you want. Yeah, right there where you're at. That'll work.
Don't run over your oil.
Don't smash my oil. That stuff pushed up. There's a little pile over there where the other ramp is. We'll head over there and do that one. It's too chunky to put in the ramp.
Well, at least I could go down all the way down here. It'd take a little while to move.
Just down and creep forward a little bit more. You get it. Jimmy with his 360 out here this morning. Challenging clod to get. Now he just needs a truck. Daredevil! I like it. What do you want me to do, boss? Who's the dirt boss? Billy? You dirt boss? I don't know.
I go.
Who's the dirt boss out here?
You are.
I'm not the dirt boss. I just tell you what to do.
Let's see. How am I going to get this truck in here?
Go up his ramp over there. Just on the other side of his boom there. Go up there and turn around back in there. I left him a ramp over there to get up and down. You can do it any way you want to, Paul. That's a good place for that big old slab clod there. That was that muddy crap that was
Make some good paper.
right on top.
They get together and make my scraper.
We're filling a new area too. We're filling this old mountain we built a year or so ago. We're making it bigger. So it's not too far of a haul.
They're kind of looking and stuff. I going, I may get another big D10 tractor. Because you get that little 850, that lead suit, it's about half that size. And like, heck, I get a big one, I could take all the rams off the back. Use those hoses to run my drag scraper.
You're still gonna build that, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's going to be probably about 3-4
Nice
inches
job.
wider than the track.
Nice job, Jimmy. You need that one I got the thumb on with the thumb.
Then like all this loose dirt like this, I can scrape it up in a pile and we could use it for filling in the...
Yeah, this is cleaned up pretty nice. We back drug it all
Yeah.
with the John Deere.
Yeah, that's one of my winter projects I'm going to do.
I even watered the whole thing. Can't tell. Yeah, we worked out 7:30, was it? 7 to... Well, we picked up, got here about 7 or a little after, didn't we?
Yep.
With the excavator and then unloaded it. So we were working probably by 7:30.
Yeah.
And then, so that's like 12 hours. Put some on the cab. God damn. Did you see that, Billy? He dumped it right on his cab.
Done what I do.
God.
Hey, they haul a little more dirt.
Yeah, that's true. Is that thing feeling a little different from the Hitachi?
Yeah.
Is that what it is? That thing should be good. Run good. It's got a nice slew turn on it. Just a little too close with your truck.
Yeah, that's why I am too here.
Want me to scoot it over for you? Or you like it where it is?
I like it where it is.
Okay.
I needed it there to get that big clod in.
Well, that's true. I'll move it if you want to move it.
You know, I kept fighting that one big one over there that I finally let it go.
There's a nice big round one right there beside you, down on the toe of the slope. You know what I could do is kind of clean up the inner shelf here.
Yep.
Just kind of spit shine it a little bit. Take that ramp out we started making.
it's only about like that tall.
Yeah, that's kind of what I
It
wanted.
has a whole circle thing. I think I got it like $30.
That's kind of what I wanted, was a skinnier one. But this is what I could find for a pretty good price. I think they're $6.50 a piece or something. I put 2 of them on my Z-trosses. I guess Domer's not coming, huh?
Well, yeah, that's the point. Run the surgery.
Oh. How is that going, I wonder? Passed that, didn't you? That's far right there.
I did walk it. Got the wind coming, blowing the dirt right out of it.
It's got a bunch of different sequences. Yeah. I wanted you guys to be able to see me at nighttime. Yeah.
Today,
yeah, but there's a heat storm coming. Yeah. Hundreds plus.
yeah, it's only Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and back in the 90s.
Yeah. Not gonna be fun. Oh no! Dang. That's not good. How'd you guys handle it?
We sweated.
Sweated? Yeah. I can imagine. You got a little wall unit?
No, he's got a, when we go for this place, he's got a little second.
Oh. Wow. Lucky guy.
And then we have air conditioning in the garage, which is on right now, so we can not go to the
Now it quit. Looks like it completely shut off. Now it came back on. What the hell? Electronics today. Gotta do that. Haven't run this since I... Oh, look at that. $430 pair of glasses.
Ow.
God damn.
Did it break or did it just come on?
I can't see it. That's too fine for me to see without my glasses on. I'll have to JB weld it or something. Put a little tape in the middle, you know. Damn lens fell out again the other day. Let's see here. Maybe I want to go backwards, that way I can see. Because I can't see through.
You got a weed tied up.
I can't see what I'm doing that way. Let's see. This thing has...
Yeah, it is a big bucket. Wider than mine.
yeah, it's a pretty good sized bucket. She can handle her too. Let's see here. Pump. Haven't run this in a while. Truck. And a truck. Hey, right there. Okay, lunch snuck up on us, so we went and had lunch. Back out here. I got the Gentle Giant back out here. My boom was raising real slow on my 360. I don't know what's going on with that. I gotta check it out. The other two, the stick and the bucket, were working just fine. I went into settings and couldn't find anything in there to turn the valve up because it was already up. Pinch line or something, I'll figure it out. So let me grab a radio. Let's go over here. Digging out this edge here. at 10,000. There it goes. Now it's recording. Shit. Had it off. Can't see the damn screen. I think it's recording. Yeah, I think so. Am I filming dead air over here? No? He's still loading.
Fine, figuring this loader out.
Hands on, baby. I'll teach you.
that again.
Yeah.
The guy on the motor said, oh, well, my finger went to go forward, so I went backwards.
Damn it.
video up. It's getting really hot out here. I don't know how hot, but Jim looks hot.
Real hot.
He's red-faced. Billy, he's done. Daryl, he's done. So, I was standing out there at those last few loads, and God, I was burning up out there. So, easier on the batteries, easier on the equipment, easier on us. And we will catch you on next Tuesday, hopefully. I just gave my truck a bath, and we'll see y'all out here. There it goes.